welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have prepared for you 5 dark skin DFX for you to use. Please note that you do not have to give credit, but do not sell them as they are not made by you. If you do ever choose to use one of them, please subscribe since they took a long time to process, and if you enjoyed today's video, as always, consider subscribing and drop a like down below. Comment video ideas down below for a shout out in my next video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and begin.